Welcome to ballooncoach.com, your resource as a balloon boss to access online training at your fingertips 24/7. Plus, through our monthly subscription, you have access to live webinars each month to help you continue to grow and achieve the things you want for your balloon business. After you become a member, you go to the home page and go across the top to member access to log in. You put in your username, which is the email address that you purchased your subscription with, and you were emailed a password that you put in to this box. If you forget your password, then put in the email address that you purchased your subscription with and click send password, and our automation will send you the password to help you access this information. Click login, and you will then go to your Balloon Coach dashboard. In the member area, you're able to see easily the last month's webinar and the webinar that's coming up next month. This is being recorded in August after our August 2019 webinar with John on clear brand messaging. So if I want to easily access that replay, I hover over his face and I click on this link right here. The computer will then pull up what kind of looks like the sales sheet that was originally used to show people about this webinar. And you simply page down. When you get here, you click on replay of August 2019 webinar or whatever webinar you're wanting to go back and see. And here it says your replay is up. You see John and I on camera, and this is the arrow you push to watch that recording. When you go down to lesson notes, simply click right here for August notes. And I encourage you to always print your notes before watching your replay so it's easy for you to follow along. Simply click on the blue button, and now you see the 5-second website test review and the other notes that are available for you. Simply print those and you're good to go. When you go to your member area dashboard, you can click down the left side where it says Access Passport to Success Webinar Replays. If you want to go back in our webinar library, ballooncoach.com started our webinar program in September of 2015. Our very first speaker was David Mahoney, and then Balloons by Tommy, Chris Potts on doing balloon drops. That's one of the #1 replays that we have, that people go back and listen to how Chris installs, creates, and sells his balloon drops. Lots of great tips in that webinar. So I want to go back in time to our very first webinar. Back in 2015, our webinar program was not able to capture the live video cam. So when you're watching our older webinars, you'll see a little bit of a difference in the recording, but the content and the information is still there. So if I want to go back and look at our very first webinar with David Mahoney, I simply go to the lessons, I click on that replay from September of 2015, and the computer will then load it and have the button that we push to listen to the replay, and I then can also click on the notes and download them. After you've watched this webinar, you can mark complete so that you know what you've watched and what you haven't, because with over 4 years of webinars, I know sometimes we forget what we've seen. So I wanted to make that really easy for you to be able to mark complete and know what you've watched. Our webinars typically are between an hour to an hour and a half long, and I know we don't always have time to listen to that much content. So the great thing is as you listen, it's going to show you how far you've gone. So you can always put a note in your phone or on a piece of paper that you stopped at minute 10, and next time you have time to listen on your phone while you're doing laundry or dishes or working at your computer, you can go back and start where you left off. In our webinar library, you will see a wide variety of training that helps you out with tips and hints on how to grow a thriving balloon business. If you would like to have extra support on your business journey, where you have access to group coaching and a live Q&A the first Monday of each month, I encourage you to upgrade your subscription from Passport to Success to our Balloon Boss Mastermind program that gives you extra time with me in a private group coaching setting and our live Q&A the first Monday of the month, plus access to our 9-week marketing program, Decor 101, Vision Boards, and so much more. If you have any questions, email joette@ballooncoach.com. We enjoy working with you and giving you access to all of this wonderful information that's been collected over the years from balloon professionals from around the world and other business professionals that help guide you in making your business goals reality. Take action and thrive.